Nebraska's governance system provides numerous opportunities for public participation through open meetings at state, county, and city levels, allowing residents to observe, comment, and influence decisions on policies, budgets, and services. This article offers a step-by-step guide to attending these meetings, using the state of Nebraska as the example for state-level governance, Douglas County as the model for county level, and Omaha as the representative for city level, drawing from comprehensive research on elected and non-elected positions. At the state level, the 76 elected positions, 6 administrative, 49 legislative, 21 policy board, and 146 judicial roles, appointed with retention elections, cover administration, lawmaking, and sector oversight, with meetings focusing on legislation, education, and utilities. Douglas County, Nebraska's largest with 584,526 residents, exemplifies county governance with 92 elected positions, 9 administrative, 7 legislative, 30 judicial, 46 policy board, and over 2,300 non-elected staff, addressing local services like health and infrastructure. Omaha, the state's largest city with 486,051 residents, represents municipal governance with 19 elected positions, 9 administrative, 7 legislative, and 30 judicial roles shared with Douglas County, emphasizing urban planning and public safety. To attend, start by verifying eligibility, 19+, U.S. citizen, residency requirements per Nebraska Revised Statutes Section 32 to 602. Then check agendas on official websites 24 to 48 hours in advance per the Open Meetings Act, Nebraska Revised Statutes Section 84 to 1407. Register for comment if required, and prepare questions or testimony. Public influence occurs through observation, verbal comment, limited to 3 to 5 minutes, written submissions or advocacy, with crossover collaborations like Omaha-Douglas County Joint Health Boards enhancing regional impact. Meetings cover budgets, ordinances, and policies involving elected officials, e.g. governor, senators, mayor, non-elected staff, e.g. department directors, and organizations, e.g. Chamber of Commerce, fostering transparency in Nebraska's democratic process. Step-by-step guide to state-level public meetings in Nebraska. Nebraska's state-level public meetings involve the 76 elected positions and judicial roles, focusing on administration, legislation, and policy, with crossover to counties like Douglas through shared judicial districts. Begin by accessing nebraska.gov/calendar or agency sites, e.g., nebraskalegislature.gov, for agendas, which are posted 24 to 48 hours in advance. Register for comment via email or online portals. Arrive early for seating, in person or virtual via Zoom/YouTube, and observe or speak during designated periods. Administrative positions, 6 roles: Governor, Lieutenant Governor, Attorney General, Secretary of State, Auditor, Treasurer. Have no fixed meetings but ad hoc town halls, weekly/bi-weekly, announced on governor.nebraska.gov, covering policy and finances, allowing public questions on state operations. Legislative meetings, 49 state senators. Occur during annual sessions, 90 days odd years, 60 days even years, January, June at State Capitol Lincoln, with daily floor debates, 9 a.m., and committee hearings, 1:30 p.m. Open for observation and comment on bills affecting education and taxes, involving senators and non-elected staff like clerks. State Policy Board meetings, 21 positions, are recurring. State Board of Education, 8 districts, quarterly, first Thursday/Friday, 9 a.m., 500 South 84th Street, Lincoln, education.ne.gov, discusses K-12 policies for 328,724 students. University of Nebraska Board of Regents, 8 districts, 8 regions, 6 to 8 times yearly, third Thursday, 9 a.m., Varner Hall, Lincoln, nebraska.edu. Covers university budgets for 50,000 students. Public Service Commissioners, 5 districts, monthly first Tuesday, 10 o'clock. a.m. 1200 N Street, Lincoln, psc.nebraska.gov, regulates utilities. Judicial positions, 146 statewide, 30 in Douglas, have no policy meetings. Attend daily hearings 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., supremecourt.nebraska.gov, for observation. with retention elections influencing accountability. Non-government influences like Nebraska Farm Bureau collaborate on policy, attending state sessions. To attend all, prioritize legislative sessions, daily January-June, supplement with policy boards, monthly/quarterly, and ad hoc administrative events, influencing through comment on statewide issues like agriculture, $25 billion economy. Step-by-step guide to county-level public meetings in Douglas County, Nebraska. Douglas County's public meetings representing Nebraska's county governance involve 92 elected positions and 2,300 non-elected staff, covering local services with crossover to Omaha via shared health and election duties. Start with commissioners.douglascounty-ne.gov for agendas, register for comment online or in person, and attend at the Omaha Douglas Civic Center, 1819, Farnham Street, Omaha. Administrative positions 9 roles, have ad hoc meetings. County Board of Commissioners 7 members bi-weekly, 2 ND/4th Tuesdays, 9 a.m., commissioners.douglascounty-ne.gov, discusses budgets and appointments, open for comment. Clerk/election commissioner ad hoc hearings, vote douglascounty-ne.gov. Treasurer ad hoc workshops, treasurer.douglascounty-ne.gov. Sheriff ad hoc forums, teamdcso.org. Attorney ad hoc briefings, countyattorney.douglascounty-ne.gov. Public defender ad hoc sessions, publicdefender.douglascounty-ne.gov. Assessor/register of deeds ad hoc seminars, assessor.douglascounty-ne.gov. Engineer ad hoc forums, douglascounty-ne.gov. Clerk of the District Court ad hoc meetings, dc4dc.com. Legislative meetings are the Board of Commissioners bi-weekly, as above, covering ordinances. Judicial positions 30 judges, have daily hearings, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., dc4dc.com. Open for observation. Government policy boards 46 elected appointed, have recurring meetings. Metropolitan Community College Board monthly 3rd Tuesday, 6:30 p.m., 5300 North 30th Street, mccneb.edu. Papio, Missouri NRD Board monthly, 2nd Thursday 4 p.m., 8901 South 154th Street, papiomnrd.org. Mud Board monthly, 1st Wednesday 10 a.m., 7350 World Communications Drive, mudomaha.com. OPPD Board monthly, 3rd Thursday 5 p.m. for 44 South 16th Street, opti.com. YesU3 Board monthly, 1st Tuesday 6 p.m., 6949 South 110th Street, esu3.org. Learning Community Council monthly, 2nd Thursday, 6 p.m., 1612 North 24th Street, learningcommunityards.org. Metropolitan Transit Board monthly, 2nd Tuesday, 8:30 a.m., 2222 Cummings Street, ometro.com. Board of Health monthly, 2nd Tuesday 3:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, douglascountyhealth.com. Board of Mental Health monthly, 4th Tuesday, 5:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street. Board of Corrections quarterly, 2nd Thursday, 4 p.m., 3601 North 156th Street. Planning Board monthly, 1st Wednesday 1 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street. Non-government boards like Chamber of Commerce have monthly private meetings with public events as needed, omahachamber.org. To attend all, focus on bi-weekly board meetings and monthly policy sessions, influencing through comment on local issues like health, with crossover to Omaha via shared transit. Step-by-step guide to city-level public meetings in Omaha, Nebraska. Omaha's city-level public meetings, exemplifying Nebraska's municipal governance, involve 19 elected positions and 2,500 non-elected staff, focusing on urban services with crossover to Douglas County and Sarpy County. Access agendas on cityofomaha.org or agency sites. Register for comment via email, and attend at City Hall, 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha. Administrative positions 9 roles, have ad hoc meetings. Mayor ad hoc town halls, mayor.cityofomaha.org. City Clerk ad hoc hearings, cityclerk.cityofomaha.org. City Treasurer ad hoc workshops, citytreasurer.cityofomaha.org. City Attorney ad hoc briefings, cityattorney.cityofomaha.org. City Prosecutor ad hoc hearings, cityprosecutor.cityofomaha.org. City Engineer Ad Hoc Forums, publicworks.cityofomaha.org. City Planner Monthly, first Wednesday, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street. Planning.cityofomaha.org. City Auditor Ad Hoc Reviews, auditor.cityofomaha.org. City Assessor Ad Hoc Hearings, assessor.cityofomaha.org. Legislative meetings are City Council Weekly, Tuesdays, 2 p.m., citycouncil.cityofomaha.org, covering ordinances. Judicial positions 30 shared with Douglas, have daily hearings, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., dc4dc.com. Government Policy Boards 46 elected/appointed, have recurring meetings. Omaha Public Schools Board Monthly, second Monday, 6:30 p.m., 3215 Cumming Street, ops.org. Airport Authority Board Monthly third Wednesday, 8:30 a.m., 4501 Abbott Drive, flyoma.com. Planning Board Monthly, first Wednesday, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, omahaplanning.org. Parks and Recreation Board Quarterly, first Thursday, 3 p.m., 550 Turner Boulevard, parks.cityofomaha.org. City/County Health Department Board Monthly, first Tuesday, 3 p.m., 1001 South 27th Street, omahacsid.org. Omaha Housing Authority Board Monthly, third Wednesday, 4 p.m., 540 South 27th Street, oauthority.org. Omaha Fire Board Quarterly, second Thursday, 6 p.m., 1516 South 37th Street, fire.cityofomaha.org. Non-government boards like Greater Omaha Chamber have monthly private meetings with public events, omahachamber.org. To attend all, prioritize weekly council meetings and monthly policy sessions, influencing through comment on urban issues, with crossover to SARPI via transit boards. Comprehensive sequential list of public meetings, 1st to 31st of a typical month. This sequential list covers all public meetings from the research for Nebraska State, Douglas County, and Omaha, starting from the first Monday of a typical month, progressing day by day. It includes government and non-government meetings, noting crossover, e.g., shared Douglas County Omaha boards. Schedules are recurring. Verify on websites for exact dates, as agendas are posted 24 to 48 hours in advance per Nebraska Revised Statute Section 84 to 1407. Meetings are open for observation and comment unless noted. Judicial hearings are daily. First Monday, Omaha Public Schools Board Meeting, 6:30 p.m., 3215 Cumming Street, Omaha, ops.org, monthly, crossover with Douglas County Education Equity via Learning Community Council. First Tuesday, State Board of Education Committee Meeting, if applicable, 9 a.m. 500 South 84th Street, Lincoln, education.ne.gov quarterly. YesU3 Board Meeting, 6 p.m., 6949 South 110th Street, La Vista, yesu3.org, monthly Douglas County crossover. City/County Health Department Board Meeting, 3 p.m., 1001 South 27th Street, Omaha, omahacsid.org, monthly, Omaha Douglas County Shared Health. First Wednesday, Metropolitan Utilities District, MUD, Board Meeting, 10 a.m., 7350, World Communications Drive, Omaha, mudomaha.com, monthly Douglas County Utility Crossover. Douglas County Planning Board Meeting, 1 p.m., 1819, Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly crossover with Omaha Planning Board. Omaha Planning Board Meeting, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, planning.cityofomaha.org, monthly. First Thursday, State Board of Education Committee Meeting, if applicable, 9 a.m. 500 South 84th Street, Lincoln, quarterly. Omaha Parks and Recreation Board Meeting, 3 p.m., 550 Turner Boulevard, Omaha, parks.cityofomaha.org, quarterly. First Friday, no scheduled public meetings. First Saturday, no scheduled public meetings. First Sunday, no scheduled public meetings. Second Monday, no scheduled public meetings. Second Tuesday, City Council Meeting, 2 p.m., 1819, Farnham Street, Omaha, citycouncil.cityofomaha.org, weekly. Omaha Regional Metropolitan Transit Board Meeting, 8:30 a.m., 2222, Cumming Street, Omaha, ometro.com, monthly crossover with Sarpy County Transit. County Board of Commissioners meeting, 9 a.m., 1819, Farnham Street, Omaha, biweekly Douglas County. Second Wednesday, no scheduled public meetings. Second Thursday, University of Nebraska Board of Regents Committee meeting, if applicable, 9 a.m., Varner Hall, Lincoln, Nebraska.edu, 6 to 8 times/year. Learning Community Coordinating Council meeting, 6 p.m., 1612 North 24th Street, Omaha, learningcommunityards.org, monthly Douglas Sarpy County Education crossover. Papio, Missouri River NRD Board meeting for p.m., 8901, South 154th Street, Omaha, papionrd.org, monthly Douglas Sarpy Water crossover. Omaha Fire Board meeting, 6 p.m., 1516, South 37th Street, Omaha, fire.cityofomaha.org, quarterly crossover with Douglas County Emergency Services. Douglas County Board of Corrections meeting, for p.m., 3601, North 156th Street, Omaha, quarterly. Second Friday, no scheduled public meetings. Second Saturday, no scheduled public meetings. Second Sunday, no scheduled public meetings. Third Monday, Nebraska Legislature Committee hearing 1:30 p.m., State Capitol, Lincoln, during session January, June nebraskalegislature.gov, annually. Third Tuesday, Metropolitan Community College Board meeting, 6:30 p.m., 5300 North 30th Street, Omaha, mccneb.edu, monthly Douglas County crossover. Douglas County Board of Mental Health meeting, 5:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly. City Council meeting, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, weekly. Third Wednesday, Omaha Airport Authority Board meeting, 8:30 a.m., 4501 Abbott Drive, Omaha, flyoma.com, monthly. Omaha Housing Authority Board meeting for p.m. 540 South 27th Street, Omaha, oauthority.org, monthly. Third Thursday, Omaha Public Power District, OPPD, Board meeting 5 p.m. for 44 South 16th Street, Omaha, opti.com, monthly Douglas County Utility crossover. Heartland 2050 Regional Planning Advisory Board meeting, 1:30 p.m., 2222 Cumming Street, Omaha, mapacog.org, monthly Douglas Sarpy Washington crossover. Nebraska Legislature Committee hearing, 1:30 p.m., State Capitol, Lincoln, during session. Third Friday, no scheduled public meetings. Third Saturday, no scheduled public meetings. Third Sunday, no scheduled public meetings. Fourth Monday, Nebraska Legislature Committee hearing, 1:30 p.m. State Capitol, Lincoln, during session. Fourth Tuesday, County Board of Commissioners meeting, 9 a.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, biweekly. City Council meeting, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, weekly. Douglas County Board of Health meeting, 3:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly. Fourth Wednesday, no scheduled public meetings. Fourth Thursday, Douglas County Board of Corrections meeting, for p.m. 3601 North 156th Street, Omaha, quarterly. Nebraska Legislature Committee hearing, 1:30 p.m. State Capitol, Lincoln, during session. Fourth Friday, no scheduled public meetings. Fourth Saturday, no scheduled public meetings. Fourth Sunday, no scheduled public meetings. Fifth Monday, Nebraska Legislature Committee hearing, 1:30 p.m., State Capitol, Lincoln, during session, if applicable. Fifth Tuesday, City Council meeting, 2 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, weekly, if applicable. Douglas County Board of Mental Health meeting, 5:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly. Fifth Wednesday, no scheduled public meetings. Fifth Thursday, no scheduled public meetings. Fifth Friday, no scheduled public meetings. Fifth Saturday, no scheduled public meetings. Fifth Sunday, no scheduled public meetings. Varies monthly/quarterly Public Service Commission hearing, 10 a.m., 1200 N Street, Lincoln, monthly, psc.nebraska.gov. State Board of Education business meeting, 9 a.m., 500 South 84th Street, Lincoln, quarterly, education.ne.gov. University of Nebraska Board of Regents business meeting, 9 a.m., Varner Hall, Lincoln, 6 to 8 times/year, nebraska.edu. Nebraska Legislature floor session, 9 a.m., State Capitol, Lincoln, during session January, June, nebraskalegislature.gov, Douglas County. Board of Health meeting, 3:30 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly, douglascountyhealth.com. OPPD board meeting, 5 p.m., 444 South 16th Street, Omaha, monthly, opd.com. Douglas County Planning Board, 1 p.m., 1819 Farnham Street, Omaha, monthly. Daily throughout the month judicial hearings, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., 1701 Farnham Street, Omaha, dc4dc.com, daily as needed, open to observers with restrictions. Ad hoc unscheduled public appearances Governor Town Hall/press conferences, governor.nebraska.gov, weekly/biweekly. Lieutenant Governor with Governor, ltgov.nebraska.gov, weekly/biweekly. Attorney General conferences, ago.nebraska.gov, biweekly/monthly. Secretary of State election events, sos.nebraska.gov, biweekly. Auditor audit briefings, auditors.nebraska.gov, monthly. Treasurer financial workshops, treasurer.nebraska.gov, monthly. County attorney safety briefings, countyattorney.douglascounty-ne.gov, monthly. Sheriff community forums, teamdcso.org, biweekly. Treasurer taxpayer workshops, treasurer.douglascounty-ne.gov, quarterly. Assessor property seminars, assessor.douglascounty-ne.gov, as needed. Public defender legal aid sessions, publicdefender.douglascounty-ne.gov, monthly. Engineer public works forums, douglascounty-ne.gov, as needed. Clerk of the District Court user meetings, dc4dc.com, quarterly. Mayor town halls, mayor.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City clerk hearings, cityclerk.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City treasurer workshops, citytreasurer.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City attorney briefings, cityattorney.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City prosecutor hearings, cityprosecutor.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City engineer forums, publicworks.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City auditor reviews, auditor.cityofomaha.org, as needed. City assessor hearings, assessor.cityofomaha.org, as needed. Greater Omaha Chamber public events, omahachamber.org, as needed. Omaha Community Foundation grant forums, omahafoundation.org, as needed. Omaha Area Board of Realtors seminars, omaharealtors.com, as needed. Douglas County Historical Society events, douglascountyhistory.org, as needed. Conclusion. This guide empowers Nebraska residents to engage with governance at state, county, and city levels by attending public meetings, using Nebraska, Douglas County, and Omaha as exemplary models. With 7,603 state positions, 3,480 in Douglas County, and 3,727 in Omaha, these meetings offer windows into legislative, administrative, judicial, and policy board activities, influenced by elected officials, non-elected staff, and organizations like the Nebraska Farm Bureau and Greater Omaha Chamber. The Open Meetings Act ensures transparency, allowing observation and comment, while crossover duties with Douglas County and regional entities like Heartland 2050 enhance collaboration. Attending all requires strategic planning, leveraging online agendas, and active participation, fostering a deeper understanding of Nebraska's democratic process as of September 2025.